Keep your head right here, puppy.
Right there.
Keep your head straight. There you go. Honest.
Excuse me? My grandfather was a homing pigeon. My internal compass is genetic.
Must have skipped a generation.
I'm a walking GPS.
Okay, which way is north? Okay, that's up, not north.
I should get the watch.
Switch to Progressive and you can save hundreds to spend on whatever you dream of.
Drug addict, I was homeless, I got kicked out of the military, but all that shaped who I am now.
As hard and as trying as it was, I'm actually grateful that I went through it all. It allowed me to come out not only as a better person, but as a better father. And that's the most important thing, I think.
In order to compete in the finals, you must be in possession of a star.
We're gonna give you guys a show. What is that? That's show number! The Challenge All Stars. New season streaming April 10th, exclusively on Paramount Plus.
The STAR team is a burglary suppression unit. We basically flood areas that we're having issues in and try to disrupt crime. We have the luxury to be proactive and get a lot of drugs and people that are wreaking havoc in our areas. I find that fun just to be able to play that game, I guess, to go in an area and take out the bad folks. Trying to catch up to this vehicle here. The tag came back to a different vehicle and also has a couple of equipment violations. What's up with that tag? It doesn't belong on the car, it seems like. Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, they're on
Valid?
wallet, yeah.
Out of where? Here? Or?
Yeah, but my tag's an Ohio tag.
So where's that tag on?
I have no idea. I haven't drove the truck in a week.
What's your name, boss?
Eric.
Hey, you have ID, man? Is the truck registered or?
Yeah, it is. It's registered. It's my uncle's truck, but I'm in the process of buying it.
Okay.
Yeah, in the process of
Can
buying
you just come over here and sit on the bumper here? Just turn around. Hey, Eric, just turn around and face me, stop. Just face me, okay? Just turn around and face me, stop messing with whatever you're messing with. What are you putting back here? What are you putting back there?
I didn't put anything anywhere.
Okay, but what are you just digging for down there?
Nothing.
No, in the...
Where's the thing in the back of the
I think
truck?
it's-
Alright, turn around.
I put my keys in there. That might have been what you were.
No, you just said bag that you just dropped on the ground. I can smell the weed.
Look, sir,
No, I don't want games. Okay? To be honest with each other, we can be adults. And that's about it. But you want to start playing games? Do you have anything else on you at all?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright, come sit back here. Away from that. Just sit back there. Do you have anything on your knives or anything like that?
No.
Can you turn around and make sure?
Yes, I do. I've got a syringe in my
Can you just grab it up for me? And a bag? Alright, just put it right there. Is that methamphetamine?
Yes.
I did not drop anything from anywhere, I promise.
Well, you just dropped a bag of weed on there, on the ground, didn't you?
That was not my, no. No, I just...
Just have a seat for right now, okay?
I'm glad the transparent record is real.
Sir, he's my friend. He came and picked me up from my house. You know, I had kids and we were going out to have a good time. Just he and I, you know, whatever. We were so, you know,
But
and
you just said you have a husband and kids.
that's what I mean, sir. I wasn't supposed to be, you know, out with him. But I didn't know that all this other went along with it.
Alright, just hang out for a second right now. I'll be back to talk with you. Looks like roaches of marijuana, but then inside that bag there was some more pills. Looks like some Xanax pills and seems like a little hardy pack.
I got meth on the passenger side.
Suspected methamphetamines.
There's a pipe in her shoe.
Eric, the bag of marijuana that was on the ground, did that come from you or did she drop that?
Yeah, I brought everything. I brought it in the earth.
So the other thing is there's a little meth pipe and a bag of meth on the floorboard there. Does that ring a bell to you for anything?
I mean, it could be great. I mean, if you just knew how many people in this truck and this.
Yeah, I mean, I understand people, you know, they leave shoes or shirts or something in the car, but a pretty good sized bag of meth, people aren't just leaving them, you know what I mean?
It's fun, but
Well, I mean, not that kind of, maybe some residue stuff, but not a decent sized bag like that.
That sounds great. No.
Okay, alright. Alright, everything good? Comfortable?
Yeah.
As comfortable as can be?
But free to go or just
No.
why?
Well, underneath all your clothes, there's a bag of meth, and there's a meth pipe.
That man.
Eric took everything else. He took the marijuana that was it.
You don't understand all the I've been through with hot damn dope, okay?
Okay.
Look, anything that was mine would have been on me in my possession.
Okay.
I don't understand how I'm getting in trouble for something that isn't mine.
Well, that's how it's gonna happen tonight.
I'm gonna fight this in court.
Okay.
I mean, possession is 9/10 of the law. I don't have possession, and nothing was mine.
And I'll show up, and he'll show up, and he'll get his side of the story. And obviously, we all wear cameras, and it is what it is.
Eric, when you guys were out earlier, you and her, when you said you shot up earlier, how long ago was that, do you remember?
I have no idea. I can't comprehend time. Probably.
No, you can't, my friend.
Yes, sir.
You listen, from the time I talked to you 15 minutes ago till now, you are out of your mind, bro. Aren't you?
Yeah. Pretty much.
You fair? Turn around, face me. Turn around, face me. Have a seat. Slide back, okay?
Eric, please say that the drugs are mine. Baby daddy.
Alright. Eric, as of right now, you're going to jail for a couple of possession of controlled substances, and methamphetamine and the marijuana, and dropping the suspended license. Carlin, you're going to jail for the methamphetamine possession and the paraphernalia, okay?
Eric, that's not fair, baby. That's not my drugs.
Sometimes you get caught, sometimes you get away with it. Tonight, we get caught.
You're so awesome. I can't believe you even have a legendary warship and an epic hero net.
Seriously? This noob? You think you're stronger than me? Can you see the size of my epic warship? Epic? Dude, I have 2 legendary warships and 4 legendary heroes. I lead 5,000 seamen. What? How much did you spend? Not a dime. I used hand-free drives from the beginning and got Captain Ned and legendary hero Lex. I'm the king of these seas.
Hey, what's up there? Oh, I switched to H&R Block, doing my own taxes online. Kind of winning taxes. I was able to file free, and it was so easy to do on my own. So long, TurboTax.
Wow, I gotta make the switch.
You really should.
Tired of TurboTax?
You can file free and easily do your own taxes online with H&R Block. It's better with Block.
Well, this is me.
It's still early. You want to maybe grab a coffee?
With the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, you earn 2% cash back on what you want, like coffee, ping pong, a movie, karaoke, and 2% cash back on what you need.
$1 million. Solitaire pet. Start cleaning. I'm living in a porta potty.
What kind of dating game is baggage? I don't get off till 5 o'clock.
See, Home Quote Explorer lets you easily compare home insurance options so you can get what you need without overpaying. Yeah, we spent a lot on this engine.
Oh yeah, really high-end stuff.
Sorry, that's our ghost.
Yeah, okay.
It's more annoying than anything.
Too bad there's mold behind the backsplash. Yep, there's mold.
Let's see if we can save some.
Guess how much I originally paid for this fireplace? $23. Material and labor. You got bamboozled.
Covered code 9.